Okay, so I'm listening to Rich Dad Poor Dad on Audible, and while I do that, I'm spiking my boots. The light here is terrible. I apologize, but yeah, actually, what I'm probably gonna do is take my light and switch it to the other one, and then during the time lapse, I'll show you guys how I did this. So yeah, this is also like a additive video to my harness boots thing, because these boots are kind of boring and now they're pretty spicy, if I do say so myself, with the spikes. I'm gonna add more to it, but for now, this is all I need. Okay, so it's the next morning from yesterday when I was putting the studs in the shoe, well, in the boots. But that's because I was waiting for this. I'm gonna go down and, per usual, grab a package. So you give me a second. Well, for the first time, they actually put the package in the back of the house, so I got to go around and then go grab it. But the mail is here, so I mean, I guess I didn't waste my time. Boom, Asos box. So I'm gonna run upstairs and show you guys what I got. And it's hella messy up here because moving stuff around. Okay, so I'm about to just unbox this really quick, and yeah, so let me set this little stand up. Alright, I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do this, but actually, let me, just in case, because you don't never know if these things are going to be the wrong size, and then I have to return it and get another one and go through all that trouble, so I'll do it the right way. Alright, so yeah, so you guys can see it's right here. Here's those. Here's the box. Here's how it looks inside. Pretty cool. Ankle is sleek. Color's nice. It's like a really light tan color. The bottom of these, they feel pretty good. Zipper, YKK. So let's see. Yeah, that's not bad at all. A pretty fluid zipper. And then take the stuffing out. And we're going to hope that me, being flat-footed, will get these things to fit. Alright, so is the shoe like in the view? No, it is not. Back. Back. Boom. Wow, these are actually really nice, but the toe is kind of narrow, so I already know this is going to be a slight issue, most likely. Oh, look at that. It's kind of weird. The toe's like super round. So you gotta just get your foot in. It's kind of weird because you gotta like push your feet to the front. Give me 1 second. Okay, so after a little bit of a struggle, I got it on. So it's a pretty cool looking boot, and then how narrow it is makes it give it like a pretty, like, I don't know, it gives it like a pretty cool look. But the only thing, so as you guys can probably see right there, is I have wide feet. So it kind of looks like my foot ends here, but my toe is actually right here. It's like pretty weird, but cool. I'm pretty sure it'll stretch. But yeah, these are actually not bad at all. The soles cannot come out, and then the back zip also gives it like a pretty cool look. Like it just, I don't know, something. These are actually like pretty nice. And then I'll just throw these recent brand ones on because I put the spikes on. And these ones are super easy because these are wide. So boom. Zip them up. And then, yeah, with the spikes on it, it gives it like a really sick look. And hopefully the light's good enough. Should have just brought the light bar, but you know, I was just like, I'm too lazy. Can't be asked to do that. But boom. Spikes on some $20 boots, and they look completely different. Like, they look really, really nice. I'm pretty sure I'm going to start wearing these more because these look really, they look mean. So yeah, overall these Asos boots are pretty sick. I do like the Silver Regime boots better, but the price point is more than double because these go for $200 retail, and these go for, I bought these for like 80 bucks shipped. So yeah. And then, as you guys know, my Louis Vuitton ones are, they're just too big. Like, I miscalculated the size, and these boots fit a little long, so they're just way too big for my aesthetic, and that's just that. And then, just to add a little bit to this video, I picked up this Louis Vuitton Randonnée GM. So this is like a backpack. It's pretty sick. I bought, so a long time ago, funny story with this is that I bought a Louis Vuitton Palm Spring because I didn't actually know how little they were. And then in comparison, the Palm Springs bag is literally like this big. And it's not wide at all. Like, you can fit like a phone and a charger in it. Or like a Sony a6000 or something, maybe that. But anything else, not really fitting it in a Palm Springs bag. So yeah, this bag is sick. I really like it. I'm a big Louis Vuitton guy. But I'm most likely just going to sell it because it's just like, this is a really frivolous purchase and I got it for a good price. So I'll be able to flip it and reinvest my money because that's the type of time I'm on right now. So yeah. Hope you guys like the boots for these Asos boots. The size thing is, if your feet are wide, you can go true to size, but it'll be pretty tough to get in. Make maybe go a half size up. Like, if you're any, like, depending on your build, but if you're anything like 6 feet tall and above, and the boots don't look too big, like too big on you, then cool. But if you're short and your feet are big, then your best bet is to go true to size and just squish them in, wear them around, and then naturally they will fit to your size, because if not, you go half size up and the boot's gonna look really long. So yeah, thanks for watching.